Play. Play. Come on. Create station. Make this easy. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go! It's a little chilly out today. A bit nippy. We're going to get some Burger King. Hungry. I'm gonna want some chicken fries, some spicy chicken fries.
What are you talking about, man?
I hope they still got those. I'm pretty sure that's still a thing. I haven't got Burger King in a long time, but I'm pretty sure that's still a thing. If I get there and they don't have spicy chicken fries, we're gonna be quite devastated, but we're gonna go find out. And we're gonna take the long way, the unbeaten path. We're gonna try to go through the woods. I'm pretty sure I know a way. Not necessarily a shortcut, because I don't know how fast we can go through it, so it's not going to make it any faster, and I'm pretty sure a shortcut is a sped up process. Watch the clippings. I went right through the clippings. Watch the clippings. Golly. What was that? What was I talking about? I about need a face mask. It's so cold. Finally ordered some gear though. I've rode on the street for a few years and I've never had legitimate gear. Like I've never had real road gloves or a real jacket, but we got a jacket and some gloves on the way. I got an Alpine Star waterproof thermal line jacket. I don't know, the waterproof thermal liner's removable, so hopefully we can still use it on some of the warmer days. I don't know, but it's getting into the colder months, so it doesn't matter. It's gonna be good for now. I'm wanting to stretch out the riding season as much as we can since we didn't get to ride the MT much. Kind of getting a late start in the year, but it's okay. Like I said, we're gonna stretch it out and see what we can do. I'll get some heated gloves if I have to. But if you have not noticed yet in the video, right here on the dash, we got a little Thrills on Wheels sticker. But I got a little story about that. I get on this website to get some business cards. Golly, clippings all in the road. Anyways, I get on this website to get some business cards because I thought it'd be cool just to pack around business cards that said Thrills on Wheels on them and tell people to go check out the YouTube channel. Like give them to people on bikes and stuff. But anyways, I see they make stickers and I'm like, oh yeah, the stickers is way cooler. I don't know what I was thinking, but I've never ordered stickers before. I didn't know what size to get, nothing. So I just kind of took a shot in the dark and ordered like the size up from the smallest ones, 2 inch by 2 inch. I guess that's what that is. Oh my goodness. Like I said, the road less traveled. But I didn't know it was like this. I mean, we're going to the woods, but this is supposed to be a blacktop road. I don't remember it being this beat up. Keep getting sidetracked. Get these 2x2 stickers, the size above the smallest ones. Oh. Stay on track. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, here's where we get into some sketchy stuff with the Grom. His bike's gonna do great. Mine, on the other hand, is not gonna like some of these rocks. Oh my, whoo, there we go. We don't have much ground clearance to work with. Whew. But anyways, I wait on them to come in. They come in a day early. I'm all stoked because I'm like, oh, they're here. They weren't supposed to be here till tomorrow. I'll open them up, and I was quite underwhelmed. Was quite devastated on how small they actually were. There's no way we can be like, hey guys, we got stickers, because I wanted to give them out to you guys and like tell you guys to go follow the Instagram, send me a DM, and I'd send you a sticker, but I don't want to do that with these. It's not much, at least in my opinion. I mean, they're still cool. I'll still send you a sticker if you want a sticker. Go follow the Thrills on Wheels Instagram, but bear with me and we'll have some more stickers on the way, quite a bit bigger. We're gonna get like the 5 or 6 inch ones this next time, and some die cut, which we didn't get the die cut ones this time. We just got like a basic sticker. I'll put up a picture, a video of a closer look at the sticker. It's cool, but like I said, quite underwhelming for what I thought it was gonna be. This, on the other hand, is exactly what I thought it was gonna be. I think we've only hit the exhaust like 1 or 2 times, so it's all about the line choice on the little wheels. Gotta ride it like a pit bike. Pretty much is a pit bike. Just need the dirt tires. I'll fall in a mud hole if I'm not careful though. Oh, I'm taking it with me. Here we go. How deep we talking? Oh, I think I was supposed to go in down there. Yeah, let's go back down that way. I don't want to be in the water that long. Whew, like a tractor. It is a Honda. We don't got that. Here we go. This is the spot. It's not too high. It's not moving too fast. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Yeah, you gotta record this. If I fall in, it's gonna be bad. It's cold. You ready? I don't think I am. Oh, we're good. We're good. Oh, we're so good. Nice. Oh, this is beautiful too. We gotta get a picture of the grom right here. Smooth. Heck yeah. Terrorizing the creek bed. I guess let's keep going to Burger King. I want some chicken fries. Oh, I'm glad that wasn't deep. Wait on me. What happened to my music? What happened to the music? Maybe I have no service. There we go. Ooh, got real sketchy real quick. Wasn't too bad. Creek wasn't too high. A little minor detour. But yeah, not really much to talk about in today's video other than the stickers. Not like the videos are really that organized anyways. We have much to talk about, but hey, it is what it is, mate. I appreciate the people that do watch and are subscribed and continue to watch the videos. That's pretty sick, dude. That's like, the stickers are for you guys, and I appreciate you guys that do that. And if you're new, you know, you could like this video and maybe subscribe and stay tuned for the journey. These freaking dips, divots, and ditches, and holes in the road. It's not the smoothest thing. It's got nothing like this. No juice. Watch the truck. Big truck. Do you guys like the videos better like this or with the 360? Or like a mixture of it? Do you want some videos like this? Or maybe some videos with just a 360? Do you just not even like the POV view? Woo! Came a little far back right there. She's not having it. Not having it. No, I love this helmet. The visor is so smooth, you just gotta like flick it and it, shoop. So nice. A little loud, but still nice. The grom is sounding awfully nice right now, though, I know that. Roads like this are fun on the grom though. It being slow is kind of a positive thing on roads like this. Let you have a little bit more fun. If I was on the MT, there's no way I could hold it wide open, you know what I mean? I'd be sitting behind this truck like this, like come on, we're gonna pass them, or when's this road gonna open up or something, you know? Thank you. Again, we're almost at 1,500 subs. I think we're at like 1,420 or something right now. That's sick. It's pretty sick, man. Majority of the time, just ride around and talk about stuff I don't really know what I'm talking about, you know? It's pretty cool. Pretty freaking cool, man. Even on the grom, I'm still wanting to pass this guy or something. This is actually very comfortable right now. Very oddly comfortable. Burger King chicken fingers! Spicy chicken fingers! Whoa! I don't think YouTube's gonna like that. I don't think they're gonna like that at all. Oh, little one-hander. Getting steezy on him. Whoa! That's crazy! He said, easy work, a little light work, nothing crazy. They look crazy though. What keeps happening to my music? I don't know what happened to me. We're just getting that close to the Burger King chicken fingers. Is what's going on. We're just getting close, and I'm getting hungry. Yeah. That's probably about it in today's video. I'll give you all a review of the Burger King chicken fingers. I'll let you know if they still got them or if they're still tasting as good as they did like 3 or 4 years ago. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace. No more spicy chicken fries. I don't know if that's just here. The original chicken fry though. 7 out of 10. Pretty fire. Without the fiery.